the bus, man. Have you put that in?
Jeez, that's gotta hurt just being on your head for that long. I like the back.
I don't think he's failed, just standing on his head that long is good enough for me.
Why
He's not going to do that. Thank you. Don't put him off, just chill. Put your money into sparing mum, mate. Don't be too near. There you go. Thank you. People. Let's try and get somebody else to watch.
That one's done. Woo!
Have you just done them? Oh my god. Woo! That's going to go on our channel, that. Okay. Hey, did you see that?
Wow.
Was that amazing? Whoa! Mini Rubik's cubes.
Thank you.
What's that now?
Wow. Oh, cute. Oh my god, what a souvenir.
I'm just going to forget him. I'll give him another each. Hold that.
That is so cool. You need more. Stuff it right in so it don't blow away.
Yeah, get a souvenir. There you go. There you go.
That was amazing.
Where are you from?
England, Manchester.
Oh.
We have friends here.
Guys, get in for a picture with him.